Why don't my property tax exemptions show on my bill? Have you ever looked at your property tax bill and wondered why some exemptions you applied for aren't showing up? You're not alone. Sometimes exemptions don't appear right away, and it can be confusing. Let's go through the reasons why this might happen and what you can do about it. First, you need to understand that exemptions are not automatically added to your bill. You have to apply for them with your local appraisal district. For example, in many states like Texas, you must submit an exemption application by a specific deadline, often May 1st. This includes proof of residency or disability, depending on the exemption. If you miss the deadline or forget to apply, your exemption won't be reflected on your bill. Second, even if you've applied and been approved, there can be a delay. After the appraisal district approves your exemption, they notify the tax office. The tax office then updates your bill. This process can take some time, especially during busy periods. So, if you recently applied or got approved, your current bill might not yet show the exemption. Third, it's important to make sure you filled out the correct forms. Each exemption, like the homestead exemption or exemptions for over 65 years old or disabled persons, requires a specific application or affidavit. Missing these forms or submitting them late means your exemption won't be recognized or shown on your bill. Fourth, some exemptions need to be renewed each year. If you qualify for an exemption that requires annual reapplication and you forget to renew it, your exemption might be removed. Also, if your circumstances change, like moving out or selling the property, you need to notify the appraisal district. Failing to do so could mean your exemption is no longer valid. Fifth, the ownership and residency rules matter. For example, to qualify for a homestead exemption, you must own and live in the property as your main residence on January 1st of the tax year. If you bought the property after that date or no longer live there, the exemption won't apply. Lastly, some taxing districts do not offer exemptions for certain taxes. For instance, emergency service districts may levy taxes without providing exemptions. So, even if you qualify for exemptions elsewhere, those specific taxes will still appear on your bill. If your exemption isn't showing up, double-check that you've submitted the right paperwork before the deadline. Contact your appraisal district to confirm your exemption was approved. Remember, after approval, it might take a little time for your bill to update. Make sure you meet all the eligibility requirements, including ownership and residency. Also, check if the taxing district offers exemptions for the taxes you are paying. If you missed claiming an exemption before paying your bill, you might need to apply now and ask for a refund. Understanding these steps can help you see why exemptions sometimes don't show on your bill and guide you on how to ensure they are properly reflected.